kilogram trophy. Outsiders who have a big local following, just listen to the noise as he comes onto the pitch. Every time his image has been shown. Midfield general. No, and the referee has given the penalty.
There's no eyes on the ball whatsoever.
But he has the chance to score Argentina's. It's Messi for Argentina. And you rather his career with it probably could. Al-Sheri, who's got a shot on target and scored for Southeast.
Here it is, right in the corner. We've got a game on our hands.
It's in third to help get them here. Contain Al-Dasari. Who saw this coming? That Lionel.
Wow. Into the net. I thought we had a go.